Sveiki! Welcome to a new lesson of Lithuanian language. And today it will be a short lesson. I just want to talk about some endings and the pronunciation. Because I got a request from you. Today we are talking about the ending us, us. And particularly how to pronounce surnames with the ending of Cius and Čius. And we have here a surname, Pocius, Pocius, Pocius. So it's soft C-I-U. It's soft U. If we have this I-U, we pronounce as Ciu. So Pocius, Pocius. So usually this kind of surnames, the endings are pronounced softly, like Pocius. If we have not C but Č, we have the ending Čius. For example, Česnulevičius, Česnulevičius. You can see how I pronounce Cu, 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 like cukrus, U, Cu, and Ciu, Pocius, Ciu, 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 Cu, Ciu. If you want to pronounce Ciu, when you pronounce the letter C, you have to be ready to pronounce the next sound I. Like C, but you go to U. Ciu, Ciu, Cu, Cu, C-U, Cu. And if you are ready to pronounce E after C, you say Ciu. You can practice like this. You say Ciu, Ciu. And when you do it faster, Ciu, 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 Ciu. I hope you do it very well. Kartus, T, after T, here we have a hard U. Kartus. And when it becomes soft, T becomes Č. Like Česnulevičius, Pečius, Baisus, Baisus, terrible. As you can see, here we don't have soft ending, we have a hard ending, Baisus, Baisus, terrible. And Vaisius, Vaisius, Cius, Vaisius, Vaisius, it's a fruit. Baisus, Vaisius. I hope you can hear the difference. Baisus, sus, us, and Vaisius, Vaisius, Cius. We don't have much of a combination like Cis, Pocius. Even it's not easy to pronounce for Lithuanians, Pocius. We cannot make it hard O. And if we would remove the letter sound U, it would be Pocis, Pocis, but with U. In Lithuania we have the surname Pocius, so it will be Pocius. Cis, like in the noun cisterna, cisterna. Cisterna, it's like container for liquid, cisterna. For liquid or for fuel. I'm not sure if there is a word cistern. It sounds like it's an international word. Cisterna, a cistern. So, cis. Please write a comment. Was this lesson useful for you? and if you can manage to pronounce it correctly. Iki kito karto.